Steven, this is Brittany. I promised you a short video with some tips and tricks on how to get some more business. You're probably wondering why I'm doing this. So I've noticed small business owners are so busy taking care of their customers and running their business, they don't have the time to learn how to get more customers. And the only thing stopping them is knowing who is an expert and who is not. Now, some people will choose to do some of the information I'm about to share with you themselves, and some of them will come to me, but either way is good with me. I just wanted to educate you and help you out with a simple attack plan. So first I want to go over your Facebook page. So at the top here, you need to add what your company does at the top, and it shows it right here, like what kind of company you are. You also want to have a really good detailed description of the services that you offer, maybe when you also formed your company, a little bit about you. You want to have the areas that you serve. It's good that you have your phone number and your address as well, and you have some reviews, which is good. You are a little bit active. Your last post was August 30th, but you do want to stay more active on your posts so that more customers will see you being active, which kind of adds more credibility to your business, that you guys are active there. So with that being said, also with your Google Business Profile, you want to optimize that as well. Just like on your Facebook page, you want to get your description here about your services that you offer, and you want it to be long enough that it will describe not only just your services, but also have some of the keywords that you want to rank for. So a keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. I know you do more than just flooring, but just some flooring examples would be like flooring contractor, Baldwin County, Georgia. That's a great keyword. Or floor installation, Milledgeville, Georgia. Something like that. Those are some really good examples of buyer intent keywords. Because they are service specific and location specific, you want to have those in your description here. Other things you can do to optimize your Google Business Profile: add more photos as well, maybe some videos, your hours of operation. You want to put those in there. You just have when you close on Sunday, so you definitely want to update that too. Maybe some more of the services that you offer, just like on your Facebook page, you want to add that in there too. Any videos, and then some more reviews as well, since those can also help optimize your website and make you guys more credible to consumers looking to hire you. So those are just some things you can do with your Facebook page and Google Business Profile. So in Google search engine, I went ahead and I typed in a good buyer intent keyword, flooring contractor in Baldwin County, Georgia. Because this is a great keyword because it's service and location specific. First thing that comes up is the Google Map Pack here. I see you guys are right here on the first spot. That's great. This is really important to rank for, since 30% of people will choose one of these three businesses to do their business. Below the Google Map Pack, we have the organic search result. Now, 60 to 70% of people will choose one of these businesses to do their services. And not shown at the top, but at the bottom are these Google ads, and 5 to 10% of people will choose one of these businesses to do their business. So going back to the organic search result, the first company that pops up is Northeast Georgia Carpet Incorporated. I went ahead and popped up their site here. So I'm going to describe some of the things that you can do with a website, so you can rank that website and get some more customers in the door, which means more revenue for you. So I'm going to be going over 3 things real quick about their website they're doing. I'm going to be going over content, backlinks, and citations that you can do yourself. So the first thing I'm going to go over is content. So this is a really beautiful, simple website. I like the colors, I like the layout. They probably have around 300 or 400 words on their homepage. However, we do recommend 1,500 to 2,000 words on the homepage, depending on competition and number of keywords needed, along with a lot of those buyer intent keywords that I described earlier. So in your content, you can place those keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. So I want to show you what else that they're doing, which is also helping to rank their website. So here I have pulled up a page program I like to use called Ahrefs, and I like to research websites here. So first we see these 2 ratings here. This is a DR rating, which is essentially a power rating, and this is a UR rating, which is essentially a trust rating. So we have DR, power, UR, trust. Google gives these ratings to your website, and these 2 ratings are raised by something called a backlink. So a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another. These links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others pointing to you, so it's like a popularity contest. However, not all links are created equal, so it is worth noting the best links to have linking to your website are those that are local and those that are relevant to your industry and services that you offer. So looking at Northeast Georgia Carpet Incorporated, they have 17 referring domains, pointing to 58 backlinks to their website. And we recommend not only matching the amount of backlinks that they have, but also increasing that to maybe 100 or so is what I would recommend for having for your website. Like I said, you want those to be quality backlinks as well. So we've gone over content. Briefly, we've gone over backlinks. And the backlinks increase your authority with Google, which helps you rank in the organic search results. Now, they are also ranking for 51 organic keywords as well, so they're getting some pretty good traffic in. Going back to the Google Map Pack as well, I want to go over one more thing with you. So here, like I showed you on our search engine, when I was searching for a flooring contractor in Baldwin County, Georgia, this is the map pack, you also want to have citations. So a citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown, exactly as per your Google Business profile like you have here. And citations help you rank in this map pack and help you stay here in top, which is extremely important for local businesses since these can generate huge amounts of revenue. So citations include directories like Yelp, Angie, Expertise, Better Business Bureau. There's hundreds of others out there. But the idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. So the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you, and once Google sees you more often than your competitors, the more likely it is that you can rank above them. Citations also help to increase the authority that you have with your website as well, and also help you keep here at the top of the map pack. So we just went over a ton of information. It's probably information overload, but I hope it was helpful nonetheless. If you have any feedback, I'd really appreciate it. And thank you so much for allowing me to serve you and send you this video. I wish you the best in your business, and thank you, and have a good day.